Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Camry SE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in celestial silver metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include heated mirrors, a rear spoiler, and LED headlamps for style and function. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Camry has to offer. Helping us into our Camry, we've got our key fob, so it does have the physical key on there. So we have the lock and unlock functions, plus we have our trunk latch, and then we also have our panic button. So press the unlock button once for the driver's side door, twice for all four, and we can hop right in. Check out our door panel. We have all 4 window buttons automatic up and down. Then we have lock and unlock, window lock, and then the mirror adjust with some room underneath. And just to the left of the nice leather style driver's seat, we have our automatic seat adjusters with our lumbar support. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our gas cap release, and then we have the trunk latch release, automatic headlights, plus our traction control right there. So with key in hand, open it up and start the engines. All right. Now that our beeping is all finished, here we have our nice instrument panel, nice easy white lights to look at. Not gonna hurt your eyes on any kind of long trips. And we can use this left control to just kind of sort through and flip through all of these little things here. Looking at all the information it wants to give us. Now we're back to our main menu. See on the left, we also have our volume buttons. We have our voice recognition. We have the hands-free calling as well. And on the right-hand side, cruise control. We have lane departure alert and then dynamic radar as well. Plus our mode selector for the entertainment system. And then we have our channel selector as well. Checking out the entertainment system. Here's our home screen. We'll check out our menu. All of these little pieces of info right there. Audio phone. We have the apps. So we have our app suite that we can download. Then we'll press our menu button again. We have the projection, so Apple CarPlay, if we can hook up our USB, phone to USB, and we can project our screen along here. So we'll check out our sources. We got the AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary as well. So we'll pop in reverse. We could check out our backup camera, giving us an extra set of eyes. It's a nice view of the back, nice crisp image. Pop it into park. A little ways down, here we have our climate system right here. Left hand side controls our cabin, right hand side is our intensity. We have the air conditioning as well, plus we have our defrost, and then our window and mirror defrost. A little further down, we have the auxiliary and USB, plus we have 12-volt DC outlet and some space to store whatever we might need. Or we can open this right up and there's a little cubby hole right there. Put your secret stash down there. Then we have a sport mode right here, using our paddle shifters on the left and right hand side, right behind our hands. We got our cup holders, plus we have our heated seats as well, great for those winter months. Opening up our center console, lots of space inside here. A little further down, we have our nice detailing and then more of that leather stitching along here with our locking cubby hole, checking out inside there. Lots of space for anything you might need. Of course, we can lock it up and store whatever we might need to store and keep safe and sound. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. A few things to show before we pop into the cargo area. We have our nice sports style bumper in the bottom with the double exhaust right there. And then just below our Camry lettering, we have the backup camera. In order to hop in, all we have to do is pull the lever just underneath the driver's seat or press the button on our key fob. That opens up our cargo space. Lots of room in here, and then we do have that 60/40 splitting rear seat that can be unlocked by pulling on these 2 triggers right there. So lots of room in here for anything you might need. Let's take a last look at our 2019 Toyota Camry SE. Some other features include your heated seat, Bluetooth connectivity, backup camera, and Apple CarPlay connectivity. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.